variables in Scratch. So as you can see, there's variable over here. Let's just make a sprite first. Let's use band. Okay, let's just say a variable. So we have a variable. When we click the variable block over here on the circle, in the variable circle, you'll have make a variable, my variable, set, change, show variable, hide variable, like that. So first, let's just learn about the make variable. So when you click the make a variable, there's gonna be this thingy over here where you can type your name of the variable. And there's also for all sprites, and there's also for this sprite only, and there's a clap variable. Let's start off with the for all sprites. And let's name this Go. For all sprites, Go. So there's Go right now here. Let's create another sprite, Banana. So for all sprite, it means, I think you can suspect, Go, if it's pressed for all sprite, that means all the sprite can see it, okay? This sprite can also see the Ghost variable. But if we do for this sprite only, let's type this make. I'm just making it. So make. So it's gonna type like the name of the sprite equals make. The smart make. But for the banana, it does not show over here. But for band, there's a variable over here. Over here. And for bananas, there's no variable called make. Over here. Next, let's just learn about set and change. We can change the Go by variable, but we need to set the variable. We need to set it to make it how much we want. So variables, we can make like true. We can do yes. There's many things you can type there, but I recommend only when you're doing like a game where there's like points, then you need to set it to 0 at first. Then while you're going, when you get some like I guess bananas, when you're touching the banana, you can change Go by 1. Or how much 1? Like 3? I don't know, like 4. And if you're making like a true or false game, you can set to Go to true. And also then what we can use it to set if Go equals, so it means the number or the letter of Go. So we set the Go to true. As you can see, there's true. So Go equals true. Let's just say we will set the switch costume bandy. Let's just do like that. So now it's changed. Let's just do this next costume. How we do this is because we're setting the Go to true. So for now, the goal is to set to true. And next, if Go is equal to true, the next costume. And we have already set it to true, so which means the Go is true already. Now let's do the change Go by. We can do like this if we want. Change Go by, let's just do this. Change Go by true. Actually, we need to do another one. Set Go to 2, change Go by -1. And this change Go by, we can just do like, this, like Go multiplied by like 5, or we can just change it by the variable, the how do you call it? Yeah, the numbers of the variable, like that. And there's the show variable, and I think you can easily notice this because we can show the variable. Let's just show variable make, like that, and hide variable make. You can hide it, show it, hide it whenever you want. It's quite useful when you're making like the games when you want a boss fight and you choose the level when you click start boss fight, like that, and hide it when it's not. Now let's learn about the cloud variable. I'm just gonna type this highest score. Most people use it for the highest score, and if they're making like a multiplayer engine, they usually use like P1 or something. I don't really understand about scrolling platformers, so I don't know how to make platformers too. But I know how to do variables though. So let's just say score, no, highest score, highest score. So you can see a cloud mark if it's a cloud variable, and you have clicked the cloud variable. And also, this is gonna be in the world, okay? So it's gonna be in the whole wide world, okay? Set highest score to, I don't know, all the people who plays your project can see the highest score. So let's just make a new tab. Let's just duplicate this tab. Oh, I can't. Let's just duplicate the tab. So where's the variable? Oh, we don't. Oh, let's just do this again. Or, oh wait, we need to save the project and try it again. Yeah, like that, right? So let's set the highest score to 5. Let's try it. Set the highest score to 5. But in your other page, it's also highest score is 5. Change highest score by 1. Now it's 11, and it's 11. Because I clicked it multiple times. Now 24, 24. It's gonna change, but it's not so fast. But it's still good. And also, there's this motion block, like move 10 steps. You can make it to, let's just have steps. You can just name this anything you like. I'm just gonna do this step. And let's try step set step 2. I'm just gonna make some fun things like this. It's not actually fun. Pick random 100 to 150 divided by 3. Round. Which round? Round. Pick random. I think, yeah. And then move steps. And clicked. Let's see if it's working perfectly. Let's just restart this. Go to. It's gonna move like that. So when you click the green flag, so it's gonna move steps. Like that. You can move the step by the variables you chose. Let's set the thing to 10. So let's just erase this. Let's just let it go to 110. 110. Yeah, over there. And if we press this, look, uh pay attention over here. It's gonna move steps, and the step is equal to 10. So it's gonna move 10 steps because the step is 10. Look now. See? It moves 10 steps. I think that's all the uses for the variables. You can just you can also do like 4. Then it means it's gonna move 14 steps because it's 10 plus 4 steps. That's, or yeah, I think that's all for this. Yeah, that's all. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you understood it. If you couldn't understand it, I'm gonna upload another video. Subscribe and like and comment. I mean, I don't think I have comment though. Bye.